kept so many footprint of their digital-based crime doing conspiracy against the world humanity, mainly from those who taken shelter in Dubai and USA, and Indian Telecommunication Ministry or the private half government institutions, ITs, etc., state government, all peoples, secretaries, defense, telecommunications, law, home. The Prime Minister office mainly as a center of witches, culprits, shaitans, and the DST's department, scientific advisors, AIMS, etc., that they do crime in the name of betterment or doing goods. These people repeatedly to hack the lot of files they have wrong done and how they have blocked so many files in email sending. Now, if you see this to the Maharanis, I am from here. And this to the Maharanir Bacha, he has to give answer. This to the Maharanir Bacha, he has to give answer. Because I am raising question by so many things that that peoples who is mentioning this to mention to this particular peoples, Sangyukta Rashtra, who has being me wrongly dragged by misdoers in the name of DD news channels. I am who recommended WG for cleaning China like satanic peoples, societies, governments, West and the government post to do crimes with civil people, civilized peoples, God surrenders, believer and the sin avoiders. These peoples, in a lot of way, they are trying to hinder me. This is, I to come sideway. This is actually I am the disciples of this Himalayan Guru Yogi. He is a radiant figure. You to make his visionary art in the ocean of his psychosomatic field, who take several years to teach me, at least 7 to 8 years, continuously sitting and thinking in a very lonely place. In the vast 50 to 100 square kilometer areas, maybe 1 to 2,000 people. And that high Himalayan altitude, Mukteshwar, abode of Lord Shiva, where he is to see in this manner. And I have purported to Raja Kathan, to bring restored peace, safety, security for humanity. Hey, Budichwal, oh, now this disturbs, and this wrong people has entered here. So I am from this Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya also, where the culprits and gone. I know these culprits to do. I am the Arambagh Hooghly. But Desarbadi, my hometown is not Mukteshwar Kumaon Uttarakhand, but I remain there near about 13 years. Then I have visited till 2011. I was there since 1988 January. So this was my appeal to save this religious institute, to save this as God. My Gurudev actually told to unfinished commitment tasks, as he kept and mentioned, starting of national leagues, UN, etc. Are you to compromise? Then I have to take, because he is for my first initiation, they asked, what you know about Rishi Aurobindo? You bring all his about life, history and story, what he is taught us. He told that he may or maybe tell to 12 books writers, but Mahesh Yogi, who to get so much respect, he is actually fraud one. That's a fraud one. He told me that you do not believe much faith on that of this Western cult. Then he to give me impetus that I have to discover of the old religious histories and to find oneness, what Rishi Aurobindo told for humanity, whole and humanity, that I have created a lot of Facebook, that is my original Rev Rabindranath Sri Robinji. It is written in Hindi. I have to mention that blue whale undersea people to cleansing. Those all that's your people's US government, and that document I have mentioned earlier. If you want to see this, that peoples are wrong natures, they have repeatedly, I told you, they are doing crime. So they did not allow to keep in proper orientation. This crime doer, to, as I mentioned, it is important, first important acknowledgement where the government peoples in the name of leadership or the Supreme Court judges, state chief ministers, high court judges, police, etc., all auditor, CAGs has been legally bonded, legally has been made captive, given one a harsh notice to take care about these Indian citizens, witness, country's economies, health, life protection, proper education giving, daughter saving, unemployment youth teaching to be used for judges, police, etc. in new modern might mentioned method to create a good voter is a knowledgeable voter, right speaker, Aryan type of citizenship. That was knowingly, unknowingly, this particular man's office, that Diden's chief vice president, that Hussain, Ansari, and Mahtab Singh to give me in that day. To me, my signatures, and you will see this all from where? Goghat, because I have two living. That was the letters, postals, their handwriting from this Indian government, and this is your Vice President Anna. So that was another letter from that Hubri Sakil, and this reference, whatever may be called, to the state government of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee, she has taken and compromised this letter very casually. Her department kept this letter suppressed 1 year to give me answer. Suddenly when I give letter and take lower clerked acknowledgement of my copy given similar type to this office SDO of Arambagh, Diden Piti Gupta. गुप्ता ने कौन है Piti Goel. This is my these things, and I had to mention all those things. I will very with great difficulty to mention all those documents of various 1,000 papers. So that I mentioned. So I have mentioned this later. Another was this matter. This acknowledgement of this, that all will get from me. Another letter is also there. This particular idiot criminal is a crime done against humanity. His office Tota, Home Ministry, Defense Ministry. This particular criminal has crime doing under the spell of Madhu Chopra. That Haramjadi was a criminal. That all that Hindu to Islam who has floated in a Tandav, that movement, what to do, Tandav, destruction, devastation, catastrophe being on the whole earth. They have started with the most acute type coronavirus. They have started with swine flu and this your bird flu, etc. But this has been so horrible. To whom? He is giving response under Secretary to Ashok Kumar. So Ashok Kumar has given me 2 letters. I will do, and that I have mentioned already this letter. And he is the man, personally, he has given like threatening, and his fathers go Suprabhat, Prabhat, Govindo Poddar, Govindo Kamokar, Diden Steel, factory manager who is now taken all those things. Then is Sudhir, that Navy officer Admiral Sindhu Ghatak. And he is British Chudmanis Bacha, Sujoy, Ajay, Bijoy, Podi, Deepak, Pramod. Oh, Deepa, Sanju, Anju, Manju, Santos is as a father, Mohitos, Soitos, etc. Idiot, Ajoy, Durjoy are the criminal from Bengal, Agriculture University, Bidhan Chandra University, that Jayanto Torabdar, Sudhanshu Kamar is a Kormokar, Amit Dev, Alok Singharai, Beka Singharai, then is your Manas Mukherjee, Ullu, that Milal Ghosh, etc. They are at the time also. All those names will in the Bimal Ghosh, the culprit, who is the so-called professor, is the professor of teaching crime doing. As a Monish, another professor of IIT Kharagpur, to teaching of the digital system, to visualize to the whole earth, humanity's annihilation doing, practicing all this climate change, calamities, premature death, snake bite, mosquito, etc., growth, developments, human bodies, inert, mind aberration, mind mesmerization, sea tide, sea erosion, sea disturbations, wavy tides, rivers, hills, shutdown, bees, building, collapsing, human body collapsing. So many people have been killed from Alaska. It is a British Columbia side to Mexican Gulf. Your Houston city, New Orleans, mainly this Florida, Virginia, etc. Then Bahamas, Cuba as a semi. Your supervision are Russian. China has these people as a remaining Maoist, and China side taker as a culprit Islamic. They are anarchist, irreligious group, Satan. These peoples and vulgar prostitute like slave, that to make others of honest people slave. These idiots, criminal, antisocial dons, nationalist, anti-humanist gathered at your Mexican Gulf, and they are taking so many merchants and etc. institutes and expertise advisor religious guide. That is a Colorado Institute, criminals, that MIT, Massachusetts, that is your Woodland Holy Institute of Pybrid, McGill University, Canada. So then Mexico land area, main areas are there, because they are choking my throat, they are hindering my blocking my memories to memorize those names, criminals, because they are hindered me to print this particular paper. I was Angish, Ranjita, Rangin. Then that is Durjoy, Dusmanta, Jodu Madhu Singh, Jugal, Dugal, Bijibon, Dugal, Dipankar, Maiti, Shubhendu, Maiti, Shukhendu, Shekhar. They are crying, they are as if to ask pardon, they have nothing done. wrong, but they have to killing millions world peoples in merciless, invisible way mechanisms. That is horrible, that witch system. What Donald Trump you are doing witch hunting about his integrity. It is practically seen real. Because Donald Trump, by this year, shows in your time who is a must probably have turned their political association to democracy. Democrat or the democracy is the hypocrisy, culprit, satanism crazy, the witchcraft crazy, that undersea, sea witchcrafty has become so lethal, you are so puzzled. How then the strange straight line cloud can be formed? How the storm can be brought in the sea, the tide can be breached. Unless magnetic field creator heavy platforms in your nearby seas, your marinos, NASA, aeroplanes, etc., manufacturing digital silver, coins, silicon, etc., what? Then is a pathogens. That corona, you do not know, idiots. What particular virus pathogen you do not mandate allowed to mutant practice genetic or biotechnological changes. My Gurudevs warned one time that biotechnology will bring disaster, and I cannot praise your veterinary department as a you veterinarian doctor. You have been probably sent by Lord Vishnu. You are messenger and you have to walk as a Lord Vishnu, who is the caretaker of earth. Even if you take that Western world as a Lord Jesus, he is Lord Krishna, and his real form is Lord Vishnu, and supreme caretaker is also Lord Shiva. Now it is a Tandav movie who has floated to create partition Ram Bhakta and Shiva Bhakta. That is a total mislead. I am to say the Lord worship Shiva to praise and raise the Lord Ram. The Lord Ram only is not praising Ram, he is also praising Shiva. But Narendra Modi and our associated Rajnath is not Amit Shah, Nadda, etc. But those people cannot be allowed from the foreign country who has taken passport, visited, open account, but for any purposes has, for on his own, even if you fake purpose of health or treatment, that cannot be accepted. Remained more than 1 or 2 months, and a repeated visit it is not allowed, tolerable. Only those peoples who are claiming Malini Duggol, Jodu Duggol steams, so many peoples have remained trapped, and so many peoples who are to claim that honest. BBC Broadcasting Corporation is very well not about this crisis, so they remain and answer and made programs, their click, except a program, Qatar, Turkey Travels, British Airways. They hindered a lot of way, but I thank them to show me that abnormal worldwide climate formation and natural calamities, devastation, to bring in my notice, but the peoples, that Bengali criminals has blocked this, my television in different times. They damage this from earth in earth with laser torch to damage my all this digital setup, micro circuits, chip boards, the computers, CCTV camera hackers. They to cripple my that printers, that my mobiles, that digital camera. What I have with I am taking this videography. I to blame all those people. If they allow me, this is people I have blamed. Now I have just mentioned those things, but I will to people to mention particular those peoples. You have to give all the leadership, Joy Biden, Kamala Harris, John Boris, Michelangelo's, Putin's, to sit, because you have also lots, you cannot suppress the fact that so many Russian peoples have died. From this conspiracy, China how can manage, can suppress the data, only remitting the 4,000, where India, like a country, warm country, where I am proposed and supposed, thought as a best of the best world epidemiologist. I worked on very critically on the virus, and what type of virus, not exactly same class or, but their nature of this virus, disease producing and remaining, that those are very similar. I have lot of works done with people, they have hindered me. I never able to present it papers in paper, that is a hinder, that was because I was not monk, but in white dress in scientific lab, as suppose Lord Ramakrishna to mention, to teach the religious people beyond that scientific and other social fraud, who just take name Jesus or Allah or Buddha to malign them, to take as if satire. To defeat those, I took him the scientific, because my Gurudev is much more scientific spirit, having personality, and to his caliber, nobody is nearer in his time in India and art. And what is called Einstein, there's a small baby to him. The Tagore, he appraised Tagore, then what? So wrong setup you are allowing to take those materials.